Dear Selection Committee, I am MUNEEB REHMAN. I am an applicant from Pakistan and currently serving as a research and development engineer in the Kadi group of companies, which is the leading engineering equipment manufacturer for the global cement, mining and the sugar sector. Joining the industry in 2021 as an engineering project intern, I observed the glaring issue of existence of inefficient and human-dependent processing technologies as well as the excessive demand of consumable components due to the lower life cycle. This led to the over-dependence on import of resources, zero to no recyclability and higher defect rates, which in turn is exhausting the critical raw materials. The world has already taken the toll of human activities and concerns are raised about how we leave it for the next generation. That is why being a metallurgical and materials engineer, it's a responsibility for me to play my part in shifting to intelligent, efficient and renewable processes aimed to restore the balance. This is my prime motive to join the META program, which focuses to enhance in the theoretical as well as the practical knowledge about sustainable manufacturing techniques, utilizing automation, AI, sensor technologies and computational models. My proficiencies include alloy and circular design, metallurgical process and product development, failure and risk analysis, all aimed for the real-world applications. My passion for sustainability ignited by a metallurgical project during my 5th semester of bachelor's degree, in which I developed a high entropy alloy that led to 43% cut in power losses and high energy that requires. My final year dissertation was then more focused on the resource efficient and resilient processing techniques like suction arc furnace to develop a tungsten carbide reinforced metal matrix composite aiming to enhance the product life and structural performance in the landing gear component, thereby allowing me to think green in the future. Implementing the concepts of lean and total quality management for process optimization during my internship at Kadi Group, my team saved 7 million Pakistani rupees annually, resulting in selection for the current role. To resolve the first challenge, we employed resilient process of enhanced reclamation and green transportation of foundry sand casting and projected to save 49 million Pakistani rupees to 64 hours of rework over a 30-month ROI period. To tackle the second challenge, we initiated a continuous improvement project aiming to extend equipment lifespan and efficiency in structural parts of cement and mining sector. This was possible utilizing intelligent alloy design, Microsoft simulation, valuation testing and precise manufacturing techniques, where in one case real life of the impactor of low bar crusher was tripled.
I am eager to pursue a master's at Denise followed by Polito to establish a strong foundation in processes and materials and further specializing in digital manufacturing at NTNU. Inspired by Science team in Fraunhofer focusing on development of highly interactive ecosystems in the Industry 4.0 framework, I aim to develop digital twins under supervision of their experts as my thesis for metal forming and processing industries, which will help reduce labor-intensive and human-dependent workforce.
I aspire to enhance my career as an international advocate for sustainability, serving as a research and development engineer and collaborating with diverse multicultural teams. My goal is to inculcate the digitalization of indigenous practices like China, especially in the developing nations, to promote self-sustainability and reduce the burden of essential material and technological supplies on the rest of the world. My combined industrial experience and research background makes me a potential candidate for this program.